Hi, welcome back to the channel. We have this question on number basis that will help us see how much of number basis you still remember. Now, I'll be glad you paused this video, take a look at this question, then come back to see my solution. That said, let's get into class. Our question wants us to evaluate 111 base 2 all squared and still leave the number in base 2. Now, the first thing I want us to do is to take this number, the 111 base 2, I want us to take it to base 10. So that in taking this to base 10, this will be 1 times 2 raised to power 2 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 0. Now, what I have done is I've attached, this is my raised to power 0, raised to power 1, and it will be raised to power 2. Now, this will be 1 times 2 raised to power 2, that's 1 times 4, plus 1 times 2, plus 1 times anything raised to power 0 is same thing as 1. 2 raised to power 0 will be same thing as what? As 1. So 1 times 4 will be 4, plus 2, plus 1, which is equals to 7. 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 1, that's 7. So what we actually have there is 7 in base 10, all raised to power 2, which is the same thing as 49. That's 7 times 7, which is 49. Now, because we have to leave our answer in base 2, then I have to convert 49 in base 10 back to base 2. Now, to convert 49 from base 10 to base 2, I can easily convert this way. Here is 49. Now, because I'm converting in base 10 to base 2, I'll use 2 in here. So this will be 2 in 49. That will be 2, 4, remainder 1. Now, 2 in 24, that will be 1, 2, remainder 0. 2 in 12, that will be 6, remainder 0. 2, that will be 3, remainder 0. 2, this will be 1, remainder 1. So that I can now pick this from here, this way, upwards. So leaving my answer in base 2, I have 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 in base 2. With this, I hope you understand how I evaluated this question in number basis. In case you want a detailed video on number basis, please don't hesitate to check the description below. I'll leave a link to our lessons on number basis. Thank you for staying with us and see you in our next lesson.